If you own a car, SUV Test Lab could save you thousands of dollars and years of engine life. We expose the hidden mistakes, bad products, and dangerous habits that destroy your car long before you ever know what happened. The engine killers, the fluid mistakes, the sensor failures. No fluff, no jargon, just clear, mechanic-backed information that keeps your car running longer and safer. Whether you want your car to last forever, you're tired of dealership upsells, or you just don't want to get caught off guard by preventable failures, you're in the right place. We cover things like which fuel injector cleaners actually damage your injectors, the mistakes of oil changes that destroy engines fast, how cleaning your O2 sensor wrong kills your catalytic converter, the effect of different oil grades, and so much more. You'll learn how to avoid the mistakes that ruin your car without you realizing, spot early warning signs before they turn into expensive repairs, and follow simple habits that extend your engine's life dramatically. So, if you want your car to last longer and avoid the costly failures most drivers never see coming, hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and welcome to our channel.